If you're here watching this video, it's because the universe has aligned for you to be here. So, stick around. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth while others struggle? Imagine if there's a secret technique for making money that's not widely known. Let's delve into the mysterious world of finance, the hidden realm of money. While you might believe that wealth is solely tied to landing a high-paying job or being born into privilege, there's more to it than meets the eye. The real secret lies in understanding that money is more than just physical coins and bills. It's a form of energy. Yes, you heard that right, energy. Visualize money as a vibrant stream, constantly flowing and nourishing everything in its path. Now you might be wondering how exactly this energy operates and how you can harness it to attract wealth and success into your life. This is the pivotal question, and we're here to uncover the answer. Think of money not just as currency, but as dynamic energy. This concept, often referred to as money as dynamic energy, has been around for centuries. In fact, the term currency is derived from the Latin word currere, meaning to run or to flow, much like energy. Money is often likened to energy because it behaves in a similar manner. It's not created or destroyed, but rather it transforms. It circulates from person to person, from one transaction to another, always in motion. However, money's energy isn't just financial, it's emotional as well. Consider how you feel when you receive your paycheck or unexpectedly find some cash. Joyful, excited, relieved. That's the emotional power of money. Similarly, your emotional support is crucial for our channel, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Here's the intriguing part. Like any form of energy, our interaction with money influences our ability to attract it. The energy you emit into the world is the energy you'll receive in return. When you approach money with appreciation, positivity, and respect, you're more likely to attract it into your life. Conversely, if you associate money with negativity, stress, or scarcity, that's the energy you'll attract. It's a cycle. Your emotions, thoughts about money, and your energy toward it shape your financial reality. It's not just about working harder or smarter to increase your income. It's about shifting your energy, mindset, and perception of money. It's understanding that money isn't just a physical object, but a type of energy that you can attract, channel, and control. Money's energy can be likened to tending to a garden. Just as a garden requires attention and care to flourish, your financial well-being requires nurturing. Think of planting seeds of positive thoughts and actions regarding money. Cultivate them with care, patience, and consistency, and watch as they grow into a prosperous financial future. This approach transforms the way we interact with money on a daily basis. Understanding the energy of money also means recognizing its flow in our lives. It's essential to create a balance, spending wisely, saving diligently, and investing thoughtfully. Each financial decision is like adjusting the sails on a boat, guiding you through the waters of economic stability and growth. When you align your financial habits with the natural flow of money's energy, you open doors to new opportunities and wealth. Additionally, educating oneself about financial management and investment strategies is crucial. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of finance, this couldn't be truer. Equip yourself with the tools and understanding necessary to make informed decisions. This knowledge combined with a positive mindset creates a potent mix that can lead to financial success. Altering financial perspective. Begin with visualization, a potent method for shaping your reality. Imagine yourself in your desired financial state, free from debt, owning your ideal home, or having ample funds for travel. Through visualization, you're programming your subconscious to view these not as mere fantasies, but as achievable targets. Then, there are affirmations. These are positive phrases you repeat to yourself to combat negative thoughts and self-doubt. Regarding finances, affirmations can foster a more optimistic outlook. Try affirming, "I attract wealth effortlessly," or "prosperity flows to me in abundance." Make these affirmations personal, empowering, and frame them in the present tense. Forget the past and focus on present and future gratitude. Appreciating what you have, no matter the magnitude, can magnetize more abundance. It's tempting to dwell on deficiencies, but focusing on your blessings can transform your mindset and bring more of what you seek. Remember, gratitude emits a potent energy that can alter your frequency from scarcity to abundance. Modifying your attitude toward money isn't instantaneous. It demands patience, perseverance, and steady practice. By engaging in visualization, affirmations, and gratitude, you set the stage for a transformative financial journey. Harnessing financial abundance. The law of attraction illustrates a simple yet profound principle. What we focus on, we attract. When you view money positively, it naturally gravitates towards you. Let's delve deeper into this idea. Understand that the law of attraction isn't about magically conjuring money from thin air. It's fundamentally about how our thoughts, beliefs, and actions intertwine. Picture it as a mirror, reflecting our inner projections. Emit negative vibes, and you'll likely encounter unfavorable situations. However, exude a positive aura, especially concerning finances, and you'll draw in favorable monetary experiences. It's less about magic and more about mindset. Our perception of money plays a pivotal role. View it as a scarce commodity, and it tends to elude you. But see it as an abundant, free-flowing entity, and it seems to eagerly approach you. This isn't about ignoring financial challenges. It's about altering our perspective to unlock new opportunities. Consider this. If you resign yourself to financial hardship, your decisions will likely reinforce this outlook. On the flip side, if you believe in your financial prosperity, your choices will mirror this belief. You'll be more inclined to recognize opportunities, embrace reasonable risks, and invest in self-development. The law of attraction doesn't operate in a vacuum. It's a component of a broader scheme that necessitates action and dedication. You can't just envision wealth and wait for it to manifest. However, you can develop a mindset that perceives wealth's potential in your life and then act accordingly. This law is about syncing your thoughts and deeds with your monetary aspirations. It's about trusting your capability to generate wealth and taking steps to realize it. Incorporating mindfulness into your financial journey is another crucial step. Mindfulness involves being fully aware of your present moment, including your financial habits. It helps you make more intentional financial decisions, aligning your actions with your goals. It's about being present in your financial journey, understanding each choice's impact, and steering away from mindless consumption. Another aspect to consider is setting clear financial goals. Goals give you direction and purpose. They could be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like building a retirement fund. Having concrete goals can motivate you to align your actions with your aspirations. Write down your goals, make a plan, and track your progress. Seeing yourself move closer to your goals can be incredibly motivating and in tune with the law of attraction. Networking and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can also play a significant role. Engage with people who share your financial aspirations or who have already achieved them. This can provide you with valuable insights, inspiration, and opportunities. Learning from others' successes and setbacks can guide your own financial path and help you avoid common pitfalls. Educating yourself about finances is also imperative. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money management. Reading books, attending workshops, or taking courses on financial literacy and understanding different aspects of finance like investing, budgeting, and saving empowers you to make informed decisions. This self-education aligns with the law of attraction by preparing you to recognize and seize financial opportunities. Practicing resilience is key. Financial journeys are rarely smooth. There will be setbacks and challenges. However, viewing these as learning opportunities rather than failures is important. Resilience means bouncing back from financial setbacks with a stronger, more informed approach. It involves learning from mistakes and not letting them define your financial destiny. Balance is essential. While focusing on financial goals is important, don't let it overshadow other aspects of your life. Balance your pursuit of wealth with personal well-being, relationships, and other life goals. After all, true wealth is not just about money, but also about living a fulfilled, balanced life. This holistic approach is in perfect harmony with the law of attraction, creating a life that's not just financially abundant, but rich in every aspect. Conclusion. Wrapping up, it's essential to realize that shifting your mindset can profoundly transform your financial life. Money, at its core, is nothing more than energy. When you start viewing it as a valuable tool that empowers you to reach your aspirations, you begin to attract more wealth. So take the initiative now, envision your financial objectives, affirm your wealth-creating capabilities, and appreciate your current assets. Changing your mindset and attracting wealth becomes seamless. Moreover, it's crucial to integrate these principles into your everyday life. It's one thing to understand the law of attraction intellectually, but another to live it out daily. Start by observing your thoughts about money. Are they rooted in fear and scarcity, or do they reflect abundance and confidence? Keep in mind that money isn't inherently problematic, nor is it the ultimate source of joy. It's a form of energy that mirrors your internal convictions and attitudes. Transforming these thought patterns is the first step towards a wealthier life. Additionally, practical habits like budgeting, investing, and smart spending align with this newfound mindset, turning theory into action. Finally, remember that financial abundance is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous growth, learning, and adaptation. Stay curious about financial strategies, remain open to new opportunities, and be willing to adapt as your circumstances change. By embracing this mindset of growth and flexibility, you not only attract wealth, but also maintain and expand it. The journey to financial freedom is ongoing, and each step forward, guided by a positive mindset and practical action, brings you closer to your goals. Found our video useful? Share and indulge your thoughts down below.